Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crosshair X if it's not showing in game. All right. As you can see here, I have a game open. So let's just go ahead and go to the range right here, just for you to see. Now I'm going to go ahead and disable my default crosshair in game. Okay. As you can see, I don't have any crosshair. Now let's just go ahead and try to open up Crosshair X. So first up, you're going to want to go ahead and go to video settings or the video section of your game. Now just make sure that you use the display mode, windowed full screen or windowed not full screen. Okay, as some game doesn't support Crosshair X to be used in full screen. But don't worry, we still have an option if you want to use full screen. Okay, we can just go ahead and use game bar later on. So for now, to enable or to make our Crosshair X appear in game, make sure that, of course, you open it up. So go ahead over to your Steam library, find Crosshair X, click on launch, and just wait for it. Okay, I'm going to minimize Steam right here and just wait for it to load. And as you can see here, I now have my Crosshair. Okay, that is how you enable it. Now I'm going to change this one to full screen. Apply. And as you can see here, my crosshair is gone. Now to fix that, we have the option that I told you earlier, which is the game bar option. So tab out. Okay. Go ahead and find Crosshair X here. Go to display modes. Open up game bar mode. And just follow the simple prompts right here. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, we have a separate video for it. So just go ahead and look it up in the channel. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up game bar, Windows plus G right here, and I'm going to pin it. There you go. And if you want to as well, you can move your crosshair freely. If not, just auto center, tap away, and it will be right here. So I'm going to open up the full screen game, and it should work. There you have it. That's how easy it is to fix your Crosshair X if it's not showing in game. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.